Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested on how to make these super delicious, super easy butter pecan pancakes, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so first we're starting off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to take a whisk and we're going to whisk this really well for 1 minute. Then we're going to take 5 tablespoons of warm melted butter, and we're going to add in 2 cups of whole milk and 2 eggs. 2 large eggs, actually. Then we're going to add in 1 capful of pure vanilla extract. And then we're going to take a whisk and we're going to whisk this into the egg yolks is blended, just blended. You don't want to mix it too much, but you don't want clumps of egg yolk either. Then we're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, and we're going to fold this gently into each other, guys. Just fold it, don't stir it, just until it's combined. It's okay to have pockets of flour. That's going to ensure that our pancakes are light and fluffy. And then we're going to let this pancake batter sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes because that cream of tartar mixed with the milk is going to give us a buttermilk effect, and we want that to, just to activate. And while that is doing that, we're going to be getting our syrup together, and it's really quick. We're going to be taking 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to add in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and we're just going to allow that butter to melt. Alright, and I have my stove on about medium heat, I guess. And I'm going to add in 1 capful of maple extract and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to let that simmer until that butter is brown. You know when it's brown because the little foam on top is going to look toasted and you'll be able to smell it. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of syrup. I'm just using regular old cheap syrup. It's not even real maple really. But you want to lift that pot up off the stove and pour your syrup in, so make sure it don't bubble up and overflow. And then you just go ahead and stir it in, and that's it. You're all done. And you just got to take it off the stove and just let it cool and let that butter, pecan infuse into that syrup, and we're all good to go. Alright, so now I have my griddle. You can cook it however you want, but I like it on a griddle. That's how I like my pancakes made. But I have my griddle on about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You want your griddle hot because I find that, right here you see me just adding pecans into the pancakes. But yes, you want a hot griddle because for the best texture of pancakes, it's best to cook the pancakes hot and fast. So you're only gonna pour the pancake on the griddle. It only takes about 30 seconds, then you gotta flip it. So you're just cooking it for about 30 seconds on each side. It's really, really quick. And as you see here, they're perfect golden brown. Now I'm just adding some soft butter because these are butter pecan pancakes. We are not gonna be shy with the butter. So yeah, I'm just brushing on some softened butter. Yeah guys, these are gonna be so good. These are the perfect treat. And like I said again, 30 seconds on each side. The full details and ingredients will be in the description. So now here you see I'm all done. I'm going to add some more butter on top of each one, and I'm just going to pour my syrup on top, my butter pecan syrup, and voila, you see they're all done. Look at these guys. These are delicious. Like, it's just the pancakes, first of all, the pancakes are just perfection. They're soft, the texture is fluffy, it's light and fluffy, they're buttery. You taste all the flavors we use to make the pancakes. The pecan syrup really adds a nice texture to these pancakes. These are very fulfilling. You really don't need any eggs or sausage or anything on the side because these pancakes are definitely fulfilling enough. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it out. It's very simple, very easy. It takes less than 20 minutes to make. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.